do that now. Guys, here was the problem with this. First thing, what we do here?
You do 2 bracket 1 to equal 4.
Yes, cross multiplication.
Yes.
2 comes here and then 4 goes there, right? So 2.
And
In
then
order to times with both of them, we have to put a bracket, right? Because when it goes there, we times with both of these numbers. So 1 take away 4k. That makes sense? So equal 4 goes to the other side. So put a bracket so we can multiply with both these numbers. That's cross multiplication, right? What we did? Cross multiplication. Huh? Okay, cross multiplication, one step. Now the rest is so easy. Yes, Amina?
Yes.
What we do next one? Yes, apply these to inside, right? So we're gonna apply with individual number inside the bracket. So 2 times 1 nada. What is that?
2 times 1
Is?
2.
And then, guys, remember this negative will stay there, okay? Do not make it 1 because we have 2 terms inside. So that negative stays there. 2 will go with the second number, right? 2 times it with this number. Nada, 2 fours are 8k. Next one. Amina, what is next step? Same thing with the other number. Right? 3 times 4. 12k. Right? And then negative. This negative will stay there. And then 4 times 7. 28. Okay, guys. Now we need to separate variable as well as numbers. Now. 8k is negative on this side, 12k is positive on that side. So which one you want to do? 12k you want to move to the left, or 8k should go to the right.
8k.
Both ways you can do, but
8k should go to the right, yeah?
yes, this is smaller number. As we said, that smaller number goes to the bigger one, right? Yes.
Oh, yeah, I got that right too. What the heck?
Now, then you have to move 28 from that side to this side, okay?
Maybe
So,
I did do it.
guys, 2 is already there. I'm not doing anything with 2, okay? Do not change anything with 2. That makes sense?
Up to me, I thought I was doing the wrong
2 stays there.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Now,
God, I was
move
doing
28
it
to
wrong.
the other side.
It should have been 20.
What is that? Negative. This one is 28 positive, okay? Now, equal sign.
But Mr.
Isn't it 2 plus
Ah.
No,
20?
you always say that you need to put the thingy,
Oh, maybe
you know, the letters that side and then another one that
Oh, yeah,
side.
wrong.
And that's what I did.
Yes, that's fine. You should get the same answer. The only thing is we said about the etiquette, right? Smaller numbers goes to the bigger number. That's respect, okay? Now, this is negative anyway. When you bring it to the other side, that would be negative. So
But
you have
if
to
you do
deal
that
with
in the
negative.
test, but in
That's same
everything is
thing.
right. Do we still get a mark?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's
So
good.
12 guys is there, right? We didn't do anything with 12. 12k is there. I didn't change anything, okay?
Take
I didn't
it.
change sign. Okay, Amina? Now you have to move. Oh, sorry. Yeah. K. This one goes to here. Now this is negative 8. 8k. Right? Next step is just do simple addition and
Where'd you get
multiplication.
28?
20.
This one is 30.
Where'd you get 28?
What is this?
4 times 7.
12 kite plus 8 more kite.
Isn't it 21?
Huh?
It's 20 Mr. 20k.
20.
Mr. So I was doing it right. Mr. I was doing it right the whole
I'm
time. I
not.
thought I was doing it wrong.
Yeah.
But I did the whole like that, so I
Okay.
just stopped them.
Now
Yeah, me
guys,
too, that's right.
separate
But you still
20
get
from
the
k.
same also.
Oh.
How do you separate 20 from
Divided by
k?
20.
Divide by 20.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Divide by 20. Okay, guys? Now you can see this 20 on the top, 20 with bottom we cancel. Here, what do you do? 30 and 20.
1.5.
Divide. You just simplify with this. 0 cancel with 0. Okay? 3 over 2 left. If you want to simplify more, you can do it. Otherwise, I think this is correct. Just
Oh my
leave it.
god. That was so easy.
Yeah, that was so
Talia,
easy.
shut down.
Mister,
for
look.
now.
Mister, look. I was.
N divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, guys. Now, we can't do cross multiplication, right? Why?
The equal sign.
Yes, thank you. Because these two are on the left side of equal sign, right? And 2 is, yeah, 2 is another independent number. We cannot move 1 because 1 is not independent, right? 1 cannot go there because it's divided by 5.
Wait.
Now, at this step, we need to find a number, so we times all of these numbers to get rid of these bottom numbers, 5 and 2.
Kidding me?
What is the
Multiply by
number? Thank you. Look, because 10 is LCM of 5 and 2, right? Yes, common factor. Thank you. So we would do times by 5, okay? Sorry, 10. My mistake, 10. Now 10, each term you have to times it by 10. So this is term number 1 as a whole, right? And then plus term number 2, and then right side term number 3.
It's wrong. I know it's wrong.
Okay. Now you have to simplify. So guys, you can simplify top and bottom, right? 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, right? And then we have 2 ones are nada and 2 5s are 10. What we did? Does that make sense? 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10. And then here 2 ones are 2 5s are
I
10.
hate doing that.
Yeah, you have to do that.
It's kind of annoying, but we still have to.
Mister, I'm a bit confused.
I didn't get it.
Mister, I didn't get any of it. Can you like re-explain? Yeah,
Yeah,
Mister.
but like, that's
First, can you
so hard to
answer,
understand.
Mister? Can you answer it all and then explain it like step by step?
Okay, let's go and we see what is left. 2 left. Inside the bracket we have 3 and take away 1 left. Here 5 with n left. And then here 20 left, right? So guys, we need to open this bracket as we did in the previous question. 2 times 3, 6 and then 2 times 1.
2, 2, 2, negative 2.
Negative 2 plus
And then-
5n.
The other step is easy.
Now one more thing you have to remember. N and n, right? 6n and 5n, they are on the same side, right? When you move them, you are not changing sign of these two. 6n and 5n.
11.
Thank you, Amina. 11n. We're gonna write this 11n.
Mister, move the 2.
Move 2. Okay, guys, move 2 to the other side. What is that? It will turn to positive 2, right? 11n is equal to 22. We don't need 11n, we need only n. What should we do? Divide by
11.
Oh
11.
my god, Mr. Just made it
Divide by
wrong.
this one, Amina.
Just put
Right.
in like cross multiplication. That's what he's trying to do.
So n left,
Yeah, you could literally do that.
here 2 left.
Have to multiply by 10.
Mister, can you like re-explain it because I'm
Okay.
confused as well.
Which
The
Yeah, can you not do
multiplication
like?
one.
you can't do cross multiplication.
But you did. But you only for this question you can do it because
No,
yeah.
look. Because we have 2 here and we have plus sign here. Cross multiplication is only if you have one term on the right side and one term on the left side. Okay, this is a whole one term. This is whole one term. Here you have plus sign which does not allow you to
Oh, it's a
times it.
plus. Yeah.
Yes. this 5 and 10 is 5 and 2 is factor of which number we have?
10.
10. So guys, I'll put 10 here. If I divide 10 by 5, what do I get?
2.
2. Times 2 with the numerator.
And then you do the same thing which goes to 5.
Plus, and 10 divided by 2, 5 times by the upper one, numerator,
Yes.
right? Is a factor of 10.
10, yes.
Other way, but this is not all the time right. So you can say 2, you're going to times this whole factor with 2, right? And then this factor with this number 5,
Just join them.
right? Remember this. 2 goes here and 5 goes here.
Oh, so yeah.
And then underneath, don't forget, 2 times 5 is 10.
And then.
Okay, this is a little bit different. Now move after
But you
this
said-
10 to the other side.
How do you get equals to from all of that?
This is equal to, this is equal to. I didn't do
That's
anything
the
on the right
question.
side.
Oh, so you
Only
just simplify the
Joining
question.
them.
Yeah, taking LCM of 5 and 2, which is 10.
Oh, so
And then you
you're
have to do
not
cross,
answering anything,
okay?
you just-
2 comes here, 5
Wait.
goes there.
Wait, mister.
Let's see.
But you
Now,
think you know
I'll-
to make it?
Out.
Oh, shit.
Let's see, 2 over 5. This is example, okay? 3 over 2. Let's make this 4, for example. Now, when we have plus or minus, okay, we're going to apply this rule. Just cross it. Okay, only thing is you are not getting rid of these two. 2 goes here and 5 goes there, right?
So
Cross.
you do like 6.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
When 2 comes here, 2 times 4. So
Yes.
2 times 4
Or you times it.
plus
5 times 3.
5 times 3. Now underneath you have to times these 2 as well. Right? So 5 times 2 is
10.
10.
Oh,
Why? This way was directly you could move this on this side and 2 to the other side because they were on both sides of equation. But this one is on the same side of equation, okay? Only you have to remember you are not getting rid of this 10
I'll just go by half.
times underneath. Yeah, once you cross and then you have to write this underneath. Otherwise,
huh.
you need to find a number the way I did here. 5 and 2. You need to think of a number that I times the whole equation by that number so we can get rid of this 5 and 2. Now look at this one, guys.
So you do the same thing to the Q's
Yes.
though.
Now look at this one. 7 and 2. By which number I should times this whole equation?
14.
Thank you. See? 14.
Yes.
So look, if I do this 4m, as Mitra said, 7, I'm timing this by 14, plus 14 again, 2m plus 5 divided by 2, and then don't forget to do the other side as well. Each term you have to do same thing. Now Zelia, tell me which number you're going to find for this 2 and 3. So I have to circle 2 and 3 and 4.
12.
Huh?
12.
Thank you. 12, right? So easy. 12. 4 and 3.
Yeah.
What number?
Oh.
12. Because you can cancel 4 as well as you can cancel
And
3.
you just times them, which equals to 12.
Yes. 12 here, guys. 12 here, and then 12 here.
You just times.
Yeah, and then after you simplify. Simplify means, see, 7 ones are 7. How many times are?
2.
2s are. And then here, 2 ones are? 2 how many times are?
So,
Liha, wake up.
7.
7, right? 2 sevens are 14. Here,
It's the way.
Dania, tell
Yes.
me
yes.
a table which goes 7 onto 7 as well as 2.
14.
What is
14.
that table?
Oh, you just did that.
14, right? So what we do, we're going to times each term by that number, right?
Yes.
So the whole equation we will times by that number. Times by 14 as you said, okay? So we have 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to use that 14 3 times. Okay, let's see. 14 on this side with 4m take away 3 divided by 7. Right?
Yes.
So this is times, girls. And 14 with the other number as well. 14 times by the second number is, our term is 2m plus 5 divided by 2 equal, again, 14
Who's better for you?
times by 3. Oh, 14 times by 3, yes. That makes sense?
Yes. Yes.
What we did in this step, guys?
You times them all by 14.
14, 14, 14, right?
Yes.
Now we're going to check whether we can simplify or not. The easy way is these two numbers. See, 7 and 2. If it is 7, if you cancel with 14, you'll get the other number, okay? The other factor too. So, I'm going to cancel. Daniel, what is 7 times 1 are?
7.
7, and 7 times
14.
2s are 14, right?
Yes.
So you get the other answer. See this answer here?
Yes.
Why is that 1?
7 ones are. We go on
7 times
7.
by
We want to
one.
simplify these two. Think of this, Zaliha. 14 on the top, 7 on the bottom. How do you simplify this?
You divide.
You have to
Divide by
divide.
2.
7 ones are 7, and then 7 twos are 14, right? So 2 left. Now simplify Zaliha 2 with 14.
7.
7, right? The other one will be your answer. So the answer is 7. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Now is it done? Now we don't have any thing left, right? Denominator. So
embarrassing when you need to come from like a really
now,
quick question.
2 left here. Guys, I'll just put a bracket. Why do I put this bracket, these numbers? Huh? Put in a bracket. Why?
Because you don't do 2 times 4 and
Yes, 2 will go inside and affect both these terms, okay? So that's why you have to put that in the bracket, so protect them from these 7 and 2. Now the other side, you simplify, just times it. 14 times 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 42, right? Now, apply these guys, this question become like, oh, it's question 1, 2. Apply 2 inside.
How did you get 42?
Huh?
How did you get 42?
14 times 3.
Yeah, yes.
Huh? I'll just put this, look. That's the result of this. Now, we're going to apply this inside. See, 2 times 4, another.
8.
8,
And then 6.
take away, and then
6. I mean 6. Just 6.
only 6, yes. So guys, this one is positive 7, okay? When you open it, you will not change sign because it's positive. 7 times 2,
Yeah.
14,
Just
and
in times them and you know it starts with that.
plus
35.
7 5s are
35.
I think
35.
it's because he said that some of the questions are
okay? Now guys, we have to separate numbers and
Very
letters,
important.
okay? Look here, 8m and 14m. Both are the same side, both are positive. Add them and see what is the answer. What is the answer for these two? Zalia, what is the answer for these two?
14 minus 8.
Astaghfirullah.
Oh,
Plus. Yes.
22.
22 m. Now guys, on left side we have 2 numbers as well. It's up to you, simplify them and then move to the right, or at once just move them to the right. Okay? Now 35 is plus, take away 6. What's the answer? Come on, come on. Huh? Is it 29? Now, this step, girls, you have to take 29 to the other side.
Yes.
What do you get? Just subtract it. 22m is equal to 42, take away 29. Huh? What is the answer? 40 to 29. Huh? Is it 11?
Divided.
Yeah.
9?
Yeah, it's 11, 11.
Okay, 12?
Mr.
Yeah, 11, 22.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
3, 13.
Mister,
Yeah.
can I
No,
go
no, no,
this
no,
way?
no, no, yeah.
Huh? Yeah, go. M is equal to, is it 13?